Hello everyone and welcome to TNV Academy. In this segment, we will be focusing on the principle of confidentiality as outlined in ISO 17020. Confidentiality is crucial for maintaining trust and integrity in inspection activities. Importance of confidentiality. Confidentiality in the context of ISO 17020 refers to the proper handling of sensitive information obtained during the inspection process. This principle is essential for several reasons. Trust. It builds and maintains trust between the inspection body and its clients. Legal compliance. Ensures compliance with legal and regulatory requirements. Competitive advantage. Protects proprietary information and trade secrets. Maintaining confidentiality is not just a matter of compliance but also of protecting the interests of all parties involved. Key elements of confidentiality. ISO 17020 outlines specific requirements for ensuring confidentiality. Let's explore these key elements. Information handling. Establishing procedures for the secure handling, storage, and transmission of confidential information. Access control. Restricting access to confidential information to authorized personnel only. Non-disclosure agreements, NDAs. Utilizing NDAs to formalize the commitment to confidentiality for both employees and subcontractors. These measures help ensure that sensitive information is protected at all times. Procedures for confidentiality. To effectively implement confidentiality, inspection bodies need to develop and enforce robust procedures. Here are some critical steps. Policy development. Creating comprehensive confidentiality policies that cover all aspects of information handling. Training and awareness. Providing regular training to employees on the importance of confidentiality and the specific procedures they must follow. Monitoring and auditing. Regularly monitoring and auditing practices to ensure compliance with confidentiality policies. Effective procedures are the backbone of maintaining confidentiality. Handling client information. When handling client information, inspection bodies must take several precautions. Collect only the information necessary for the inspection. Store information securely using encryption and other security measures. Share information only with authorized individuals and entities and only when absolutely necessary. These precautions help to prevent unauthorized access and misuse of client information. Addressing breaches of confidentiality. Despite best efforts, breaches of confidentiality can occur. Here's how to address them. Take immediate steps to contain and mitigate the breach. Conduct a thorough investigation to understand how the breach occurred. Report the breach to affected parties and, if required, to regulatory authorities. Implement corrective actions to prevent future breaches. Having a plan in place for addressing breaches is crucial for minimizing damage and restoring trust. Legal and ethical considerations. Maintaining confidentiality is not just a legal requirement but also an ethical obligation. Compliance with data protection laws and regulations such as GDPR is mandatory. Upholding the ethical responsibility to protect client information builds credibility and trust in the inspection body. Balancing legal compliance and ethical responsibility is key to successful confidentiality management. Best practices for confidentiality. Here are some best practices to ensure confidentiality. Regular training. Regularly train employees on confidentiality policies and procedures. Access control. Implement strict access controls to limit who can view or handle confidential information. Policy review. Periodically review and update confidentiality policies to reflect changes in regulations and technology. Adopting these best practices helps maintain a high standard of confidentiality. In conclusion, confidentiality is a fundamental principle in ISO 17020 that helps protect sensitive information and maintain trust. By implementing robust policies, procedures, and best practices, inspection bodies can ensure they uphold the highest standards of confidentiality. Thank you for your attention. If you have any questions about confidentiality in ISO 17020 or how to implement these practices in your organization, please feel free to ask now. Thank you.